Hello everyone, my name is Azeem Shaik. Currently I am working as a DevOps Engineer in Coding Tutor. Today I'll show you how to deploy a Java based application integrated with database with the help of Maven and Tomcat. What is Maven? Maven is a open source build tool where you can build our Java based application. What is Tomcat? Tomcat is an open source web server where you can deploy Java based application. For this I'm going to create two servers. One is for build and deploy and another one is for database. This is my AWS dashboard and now I'm going to create a server. For that we need to click launch instance and I'll give it name as Java build deploy. I'll take operating system as Ubuntu and instance type is T3 micro is fine and I need to select keep a yes and select Azeem and coming to network settings by default SSH will be there. I am adding one security group. This is for Tomcat and Tomcat is runs on port number 8080 and source type is anywhere. Yes, yeah, click on launch instance. Yes, created one server. Now I'm going to create another server for database. Click on launch instance and I'll name it as DB server. Take operating system same Ubuntu. Instance type T3 micro is fine. Prepare. Default key pair and network settings. This is for database. SSH is by default and I want to add one more security group, that is MySQL. MySQL runs on port number 3306. Custom, yeah, source type anywhere. Yeah, everything is fine. Now click on launch instance. Yes, created two servers successfully and now I'm going to connect both servers. First I'm going to connect Java build deploy server, copy SSH, open terminal and we need to go to downloads. Why? Because while creating server we have selected one key pair, right? While that key pair will be in that created in the two copies. One is from our local machine, another one is cloud. Whenever we are going to connect to server, it will verifies both are same or not. That its key pair key pair acts as like a key. Yes, simply paste SSH, enter. Yes, yes, this is our brand new server. For my convenience, I'll keep change the server name by using the command sudo hostname ctl set hostname as Java build deploy, enter. Yeah, now hostname is changed, but if it is not reflected, for this we have to restart the server by using the command sudo init 6, enter. Yes, the system will be reboot now. It will take 2-3 seconds. Yes, now again copy paste SSH, enter. Yes, now we observe here the name will be changed. And now I'm going to connect the another server, that is one created for database. Click on connect, same copy SSH, take another terminal, go to downloads, paste SSH, enter. Yes, this is our another brand new server, and this also I will change name, sudo host name ctl, set host name db server, enter. Now we have to reboot the server by using the command sudo init 6, enter. Sorry, sudo init 6, enter. Now it is rebooted. It will take 2-3 seconds. Just copy SSH, paste SSH, enter. Yes, this is our another brand new server. This is for Java build and deploy, and this is for database server. And now I need, for this application, I need database. I want to integrate a database with this, so I need to create a database in AWS. We have RDS. RDS stands for Relational Database Service, which is managed. It's like a platform as a service. Yes, DB instance. Yes, I have already created a database, Java RDS DB. It's fine. Yes, it's available. And now configure these two servers. Anything, if you want to do deploy any server, first we need to update our server by using the command sudo apt-y update. It is updating. Yes, done. Now our application is Java based, so if you want to check whether Java is installed or not, simply type Java. Yes, Java is not installed, so we need to install Java by using this command. Yes, done. Now we need to install Maven for build the application. Building in nothing but converting human readable language to machine language. We'll check Maven is installed or not. No, Maven is also not installed. Sudo apt install Maven, enter. Yes, yes. Now we'll check Java version. Yes, install Maven version. Yes, install. Yeah. Now we clone the code from GitHub. Check whether it is installed or not. Yes, it is there. Now I'll go to my code repository. This is the application which I have to deploy, Java based application. I just clone the code. GitHub is a platform which developers will write the code and push and store the code in GitHub. Then we just clone the code, copy this, and go to terminal. And we have to clone by using the command git clone, paste, enter. Yes, if you need check list, yes, it is AWS RDS Java is available. And now cd AWS list, yes, POM file is there. And now for deploy we need Tomcat. We have to download Tomcat. Tomcat is a web server. Tomcat, it is an open source web server. Now we are going to take the versions of Tomcat 9. Just copy this link. Go back to home. If you want to download any software by in Linux, we have to use the command wget and paste the link, enter. List, yes, it is a Apache Tomcat tar file we have downloaded. If you want to extract by using the command tar hyphen xvf Apache, enter. It will extract ls, yes, it is extracted. Now go to Apache Tomcat folder, list, yes. Now we are going to start the Tomcat. Then go to bin directory, ls, yes. To start the Tomcat we have a command startup.sh, enter. Yes, Tomcat is started. Now I'll check whether it is working or not. Instances, Java build deploy application server, and just copy public IP. Paste it, and Tomcat runs on port number 8080. Enter. Continue. Yes, this is our Tomcat web server, and we have to click on manager app, and it's showing, yeah, we need to configure the manager app. It's showing access denied. We need to configure. And now just go to home. Now we have to type command find hyphen name context.xml. Yes, here we have to configure this manager and host manager. Control C, sudo vi, enter. We have to uncomment this. Save it. In the same host manager also we need to configure sudo vi, enter, insert. We have put it in comment. Then save it. It's fine. Just refresh it. It's showing Tomcat. Yes, Tomcat. We'll say cancel. This is now we have to configure in conf folder tom.user.xml. We have to update it. ls cd apache tomcat ls cd conf. We have to go to conf ls. Yeah, here we are update this users.xml sudo vi tomcat user.xml, enter. Shift G is a short key. Enter. You need to paste that, and if you want to change the password as Tomcat and save it, enter. Now I'll check our configuration is done. Refresh the page. Yes, username is Tomcat and password also, and sign in. This is our Tomcat server, and we have to deploy our application there. Here for by default applications. Now we are going to I'm going to go to home, ls cd AWS ls. Yes, now I have to build my code by using the command maven validate. Yeah, just it validate. Yes, build a success. It means maven validate, it verifies whether pom.xml is there or not. Yes, it is build success. Now you have to maven package. Yes, maven package is a command. Whenever the code will be converting from human readable to machine readable zeros and ones. Here build is success. There is no bugs, errors. Yeah, then we have to, then it should create target file. Go to target ls. Yes, this is our artifact login web app.var. Now go to home, ls go to Apache Tomcat, ls go to web apps in this, Yeah, here we need to copy that artifact. Now by using the command copy -r home AWS Java in the target, in that star dot var 2. We have already in web apps folder, so we just copy to, we have put it as dot, means current directory. The artifact will be copied to the current directory like in web apps. So enter, check list. Yes, the login web app artifact will be there. Now just go to Tomcat server. Just here we don't have any application, our application, right? Now just refresh this page. See, here we get our Java based application, login web application. Just we need to click it. This is the front end, and now there is no user. First you have to log in, you have to be a registered user. Now I have to click on new user. Yes, I'll give some name, Azeem Shaik. Yes, whenever I'm going to submit, yes, it will show an error, database error. Why? Because we didn't integrate the database. So now I'll go to integrate the database. Now I'll go to DB server. I have to update it, sudo apt -y update. It is updating. Yes, updated successfully. And I need to install MySQL, whether we have to check MySQL installed or not. MySQL is not installed, so we need to install MySQL. Enter. Yes, MySQL is installed. Now I'll go to take this endpoint, my database endpoint. Now I want to connect MySQL server by using MySQL -h, means host name. This is the host name address. Then -u, username is admin. Then -p means password. Enter. So I will give password. Enter. Yes, it is connected. Now we have by default databases is there. To show that, we use command show databases. Enter. These are 4 databases, and now I have to create one database. This is the key. This is the our project. Yeah, database name should be JWT. We can create any name, but the developers use JWT, so we also created like JWT. By using command create database JWT. Yes. Now show databases. Yes, See, JWT is created. Now we want to use that database by the command use JWT. Yes, database is changed. Then show, in that database there is no tables. Show tables, it is empty set. Yeah, now in this application there is by user is registering, he need to enter first name, last name, email, username, password, right? So for that we have created a schema which developer will cloud engineer will create database and give it to the developer, and developer will create the table which stores the information in rows and columns. Yes, created. Now to show tables, this is user table created. There is any data, select, will show, select star from user. There is empty set here. Select star from you user, enter. There is empty set. Now I have to go to server, build server, and I need to configure. I need to go to home page, ls. I need to configure here in source code, in source folder, main folder, under that web apps, we need to configure login.jsp and user registration.jsp. We need to give that database endpoint in these both files, then only we can integrate it with database with this. So go to AWS alias Java ls. In this, go to source, main, web app, enter, ls. Here login.jsp and user registration.jsp, then sudo pi login.jsp, enter, and have to copy this database endpoint. Insert mode, we have to update it here. This is the old one. In this part we have to update, so I can remove this. And I'll paste that endpoint. Escape, save it, enter. Like user registration also, enter, insert mode, delete it, to.com and paste that our database endpoint, save it. Yeah, now both login page and user registration page are fine. And now and the code, there is changes in the code now, so again we have to build, again we have to clean and build, then the artifact will be copied into web apps, so that cd ls, first I have to remove that artifact in Apache Tomcat, right? So cd Apache Tomcat ls cd web apps ls. Yeah, I want to remove rm-rf l star means the files which are started with l are removed from this. Enter ls, yes, it's removed. Now go to home directory, then go to cd plus aws rds java ls. Yeah, now we should, now already target file is there. Why? Because we are already done with build. Now just we clean it by using the command maven clean. Yes, build success. Now maven package maven clean, right? ls. Yes, target folder will be gone. And now mn package, enter. Yes, build success. ls. Now go to target file, ls. Yeah, here login artifact is there. We need to copy this to web apps and go to ls cd Apache Tomcat cd web apps ls. Yeah, here we need to copy this, so by using command copy -r home, the path is AWS target start dot var to current directory. Dot means current directory. Copy -r. This is the path which is our artifact will be there, and this dot represents the current folder. Like this, in this web apps the war file will be copied. Enter ls. Yes, it is copied. I will need to copy -r AWS target l star dot else. Yes, we copied. Now we'll check. Just enter, go to click on manager app. Here our application is login web app. Yes, I'll give I have to register. Yes, I'll give name the Gmail, the user details as and I have to click on submit. Yes, user is the user details are stored in database successfully, and now I'm going to check whether it is stored or not. Here it is empty set now. So now select star from user. See the first name Hasina Sheikh, Hasina at gmail.com, username Hasina Sheikh, password and registered. Yeah. Now login. Hasina Sheikh. This is the output. Welcome Hasina, logout. And if you want to add one more user, Rashid Sheikh, Rashid at the rate gmail.com, username Rashid, password Sheikh, and submit. Whenever you click the submit, registration is successful. This is one user is added. Now we'll show select star from user, enter. See the second user also, the second user details also stored in the database. Yes, thank you.